Namaskar, my dear learners. From a teacher who's seen 70 springs and guided thousands of minds, I offer you today not just facts, but gifts. Real gifts. The kind that stay with you long after exams are over. 1,000 salutes to every learner watching this. You are the reason I still wake up with purpose. Last time, your response was phenomenal. 98% score, more than 1,000 implementations, and countless minds inspired. So today, I bring you 10 more facts, not from textbooks alone, but from life itself. Science taught us how plants purify air. But now, students use money plants, snake plants, and peace lilies to breathe better indoors. Learning meets living. Math isn't just numbers, it's clarity. Students now use linear equations to manage pocket money, save for goals, and even help parents plan budgets. 3. Tectonic plates and travel safety. You know, geography isn't just about maps. It's really about mindfulness. Some students actually changed their travel plans after understanding earthquake zones. Now, that's what I call smart learning. 4. Acids and bases in kitchen chemistry. From lemon juice to baking soda, students now clean stains, test food freshness, and even understand the magic of acid-base reactions. The kitchen, well, it becomes a laboratory. 5. Electricity and power bills. Physics taught us about kilowatt hours. Students now reduce power bills, unplug wisely, and sometimes even teach their families a few energy-saving hacks. Civics isn't just theory, it's empowerment. Students now recognize gender equality, labor laws, and freedom of expression. Some even helped family members assert their rights. Math meets marketing. Students now use statistics to track YouTube views, Instagram reach, and optimize content for virality. Numbers tell stories. Physics of sound helps students improve voiceovers, podcasts, and reels. Clear sound equals clear impact. 9. Climate change and daily habits. Environmental science inspired real change. Students now ditch plastic, cycle to school, and support eco-friendly brands. Small steps, big impact. 10. Storytelling and confidence building. English literature taught us the power of voice. Students now write blogs, speak confidently, and express themselves with pride. Words build worlds. From me to you, a simple gift. If this Teacher's Day gift made you smile, sparked an idea, or reminded you of your own power, then do this old teacher a favor. Subscribe for more joyful learning. Like to show your support. Share to inspire others. Comment your favorite fact. Let's learn from each other and grab 50% off on your next educational toolkit or course, because learning should be rewarding. To every learner, whether you're 10 or 70, keep learning, keep growing. You are the future, and I'm proud of you. 1,000 salutes. Jai Hind.